EPA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, January 22nd and 23rd, 2022. The weekend video forecast is sponsored by Bosergeist Brewing Company in Easton. They are at 1250 Simon Boulevard in Easton, very close to Lafayette College, and fine purveyors of craft beer in the Lehigh Valley. They have weekend hours, so you can go this weekend and enjoy a nice craft beer. Very fine menu selection as well to go with that craft beer. It's going to be warm inside, cold outside, warm inside, so it's a good day to enjoy a nice fine craft beer from our weekend's video forecast sponsor, Bosergeist Brewing Company. So today, again, cold, mostly sunny, but 22 to 30. Very slightly higher than yesterday, but not by much, maybe a degree or two from what we saw on Friday. But mostly sunny skies today. Then clouds are going to increase tonight. We're going to have mostly cloudy skies on Sunday with a temperature about 5 degrees warmer than we will see on Saturday. So it's still cold, though. 27 to 35 is a spread from northwest to southeast across the region. If you did not see our video on Friday, you'll notice a different format here. One big change is the upper right-hand corner now shows actual time of the model that I'm talking, using it in the forecast video, and we'll show actual time instead of universal time. So we don't have to subtract 5 hours from the to figure out what time I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the previous 6 hours of precipitation type on the GFS model. This is the model I'm using in the video, and previous 6 hours of precipitation by type. Okay, that's what we're looking at here in this video. But upper right hand corner will give you the exact time stamp we're talking about. So this is 7 p.m. today. Nothing going on. Mostly sunny skies, cold, and that's it. As I move this forward, though, we're going to have a couple systems this week. Sunday, there's going to be a little weak clipper type system moving toward us. I think this might result in a few flurries. I don't know what just happened there. A couple flurries will just move through the region, maybe Sunday evening. So it doesn't look like a big deal here. Not looking at accumulations, at least right now. We'll keep an eye on it just in case, but it looks like just a few flurries with this, and that's it. Moving through our region, and that's going to be Sunday evening. Okay. After that, we have another system on its heels. This is a northern stream system that's going to be passing off to our north on Monday. Here's Monday night, and then Tuesday. There could be, again, some light snow showers or flurries. In our local forecast, we have light snow showers in the forecast for Tuesday, but just a 40% chance here. There's not a lot of precipitation with this, and I can show you the Canadian model. I can show the European model. They're all doing the same thing. Very weak wave that will result in a few snow showers here during the day on Tuesday. Most likely afternoon and evening is when you have that chance for that to occur. Not a big deal with this, not at all. If this does end up trending in the other direction, it gets a little bit stronger, of course, we'll let you know. But right now, I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. Just more ambiance type flakes and that kind of thing. And that's it. But these snow showers will go through the evening, maybe even part of the overnight, and this will pull away. The low pressure associated with it is going to remain well southeast of the region, so we're no concerns of that coming up the coast. But there might be something outside of our 7-day forecast window that we have to keep an eye on, which could produce something. I did a long range yesterday, like I do every Friday, and kept it as a storm signal, though. We'll get to that in a second. Here is Wednesday. We're back to mostly sunny skies on Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures are going to be the 20s both days for highs. Another cold stretch here for a couple days. And then once we get to Friday, we're going to have clouds increase as the next system moves toward us. Now, this is another system that's going to kind of come out of the Gulf of Mexico, move up the coast. The question is how close does it get to us? Okay, and we don't know that yet. This is for our local forecast, our 7-day forecast stops right here. That's it. Okay, just because it's going to be talked about ad nauseum, I know it will be because I know how social media works. People are going to be talking about this storm. This big storm that's coming on the 29th, which is next Saturday. Okay, that's 8 days, or 7 days from today, I should say. But it's outside of our comfortable 7-day forecast window, which goes from Saturday to Friday. Okay, so it does show this storm offshore really wrapping up and getting the eastern areas into some snow here. This is the GFS depiction. Canadian is not too dissimilar, a little bit further east, but the European model actually brought it inland, right, and tracked right over Pennsylvania with just rain, and that's it. So this is a storm signal we have listed in our long-range outlook. I did not choose to put this as an actual storm and kept it a storm signal because there's a lot that can go along or wrong with this, or right, depending on your perspective, between now and next Saturday. Okay, so we'll continue to monitor this throughout the week. This does have bigger potential. It is a winter storm signal, and that's it, but it's no guarantee that you're going to get snow out of this. But we'll continue to watch this. This thing really ramps up here in New England. on the GFS. This is the latest run of the GFS tonight. Canadians doing something similar up here in New England. We're going to just get walloped. But it's still too early to decide whether or not this is going to be something that's going to affect our area or not. The reason it's doing this and it's coming up the coast is because we have a deep trough settling in here that's right around the 29th to coincide with this. But there's also a relaxation, a retraction, if you will, of that long North Pacific jet extension that we've had over the past couple of weeks to coincide with this. So when you have that happen, and it's ahead of a pattern change or a pattern shift, you can get these big storms sometimes. So I don't want to just say it's going to miss or it's going to hit or whatever at this point. It's just something we're going to monitor over the week ahead. Just keep that on the back border and don't really worry about it this weekend. Just enjoy your weekend. Nothing's going to change over the weekend. I'll discuss this on the More the Weeklies video on Sunday and see where we're at there. And, of course, with the next daily forecast video that we do on Monday. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for the weekend, January 22nd and 23rd, 2022. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.